morning. Okay, my phone is ringing. Hold on. Wait, who's that calling me? Who's that calling me? Yeah, let's, Daddy Bubbles. Yeah, let's sing after lots of walk. It's like 30 in the morning. Hey, good morning. Sorry about that, you guys. That was Brianna's father calling her. And he just got a piece of my mind, a little piece. But anyways, hope you guys having a great morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna do Brianna some swatches, and then to make me some coffee. She's gonna have swatches and grapes, okay? Because the little girl, we don't have no oats, so oats is her favorite thing. But first, let me go ahead and brush my teeth. I was going to brush my teeth after coffee, but baby, she needed brushing now. And let me wash my face. Yeah. So y'all, I got my little tripod from Shein. Let me show you guys. It comes with a little light. It's really, really long. That's a good thing about it. It's really, really long. I said I wasn't gonna be vlogging. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't want to talk too long, but I'm not really vlogging. I don't know what to call it. Okay, let me just wash my face. I'm recording off my old phone, which is Brianna's phone now. So yeah, let me show you guys how long this tripod is, girl. But it's not the best. It's not the sturdiest. Okay, so let me show you guys. You guys, this is super long. It is pretty long. And it comes with a little light to the top here. So I'm about to brush my teeth first. So you all keep your toothbrush inside your bathroom or inside your rooms. Like growing up, we always used to keep our toothbrush inside the room. Because we used to live with a bunch of people, like we had different cousins and stuff like that used to live. We used to keep our soaps and our towels inside our room. Yeah, because if you look at soap inside the bathroom growing up, somebody's gonna bathe with that, okay? They do not care. They don't want no soap, bitch. They gonna bathe with that. Even as an adult, you leave your shit in the bathroom, it's gonna get used, babes. They don't care who towel, who soap. They're just nasty motherfuckers. Pretty, come brush your teeth. What? Where's your toothbrush?
Yeah.
Well.
What's your teacher? 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 What's your teacher?
Come.
What's your teacher?
Remember. So after I'm done from drinking my coffee, like I probably have to brush my teeth again because I've noticed, since I haven't been drinking coffee for the last couple of months, my teeth has gotten whiter. Okay, so that means the coffee is making my teeth brown, like dark. My teeth is when I look in my mirror, I was like, what the fuck? Why is my teeth so white?
I know.
Anyways, y'all, so it's like after 1. Me and Brianna went to bed pretty late last night. 2 o'clock. We went to bed like around 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that's what happens when he takes a late nap. Yeah. So, oh, anyways, yeah. So I might just eat something soon. I hope it's window knock over my phone. Yeah. So y'all, I went home to get my coffee maker. The little one over there. I want to start making like my coffee tastes good again. Like I want my coffee to be good again. Like I was just drinking like instant coffee, black coffee. Cause why not? Instant is just so easy, you know. You ain't gotta wait on the machine. You don't gotta buy all that stuff for the coffee machine and all that. Yeah. I'm just gonna be doing some sausages and ham. Brianna don't like the eggs. She wastes all the eggs yesterday. And before that, like, waste of time. We don't have no eggs anyway, so I'm fine with this because I'm gonna get my coffee. I don't even need the butter. I'll just use the oil from the sausages to cook the ham. Okay. Now you want grape? She's gonna have grape and ham and. You want sausages? I don't want too much sausages. Yesterday, I mustn't cook too much. It was stalling. Yeah, let me do a piece of bread. Slice of bread. Oh my god, I gotta go to window. I have to close the window, nice and quiet. It'll be a slice of being here. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have no screen on them, so. Okay, y'all, so the quality of the video may change. Okay, y'all, so I bought this from Shein a long time ago. This is a backdrop. It came in this bag. And then I leave a piece at home. I need to set this up. So I think I leave one of the poles home. I don't even know if I can set this up. I don't see no paper. I need some instructions. I need the instructions. Oh yeah, I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay, y'all, it looks like we're getting somewhere, but this thing is not sturdy at all. Like, I don't know what the hell. I could make it longer, so I'll have the next piece of banana to make it even wider, but this is pretty nice. I think this is pretty nice. Alright. try to fix this to make this more sturdier. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I went with a father, so that'll give me a little time with my father. Okay, let's go. Try to fix this. Alright y'all, so she's sturdy now. Hold on, let me get my backdrop. Let me show you guys my beautiful backdrop. I got two. Okay y'all, so we're just gonna use this one for now. Pretty. See, this is too short. Oh my goodness. So we need the next piece added on, but I can't add it on because, or can I? Let's see if I can add the next piece on first. Okay y'all, we made it longer. This is huge. I don't know, like I'm gonna have to break this down or put it in the bathroom. Like, okay, let's try to put on this. Ooh, guys, look at that. Isn't she a beauty? Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Look at my beautiful backdrop. All we gotta do is push this over some more. Come over some more. Side, put it in the middle. Oh god, I love this backdrop. And yeah, we have one more similar to this in the room. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna be doing like my ASMR videos, all my YouTube videos, sit down videos. Ooh, I did that. No paper, no instructions. Yo, I use no instructions. I just use my hair. It was just simple like that. Common sense, I guess. But this thing is so freaking huge. This can't be in the living room all day. It's just too huge. And for me to keep on like putting it together, I don't like that. So I'm gonna try and move it in the back. But yeah, this is what she's looking like. Anyways, y'all want me? Okay, y'all. So I'm about to put this inside the bathroom. She's so pretty. Okay, so let me try to put this inside the bathroom. This is freaking huge. Like, gosh, I have to make space. Okay. Anyway, so we put her in the back room. She's good for now. I'm gonna make me some coffee. Now let's go talking to her back room. Oh Lord. But we can't get a break. We only have instant coffee. Do you want some? Yeah, the machine. I'm gonna have to go to the store to get me some coffee for the machine.
Yes, she works. Does she really work? No, she just plays.
Okay, coffee is done. I need some water.
What's this? A dinosaur. Let's choose some vegetables for lunch.
What?
George isn't eating the tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots anymore. Tomatoes, lettuce, or cucumber. George isn't too full to eat anymore. George, are you too full to eat anymore? George isn't too full to eat anything more. Oh, well. Then you won't want any. Right. Let's make pizza.
Coffee is made.
Pepper, George, could you please put some flour in?
Bree, why are you ripping up that book?
Mommy, look at me.
Y'all, it's like after 5.
Mommy, look at me.
Look. This one I'm talking about late
Mommy,
now
look at me.
because she wanna wake up like 7, 9
Mommy,
o'clock.
look at me.